Gears are all around us, in cars, in factory machines, in toys, in 3D printers, and so many other places. They're a little bit mysterious, and today we're going to unlock that mystery by making our own gears. I'm Warren, a Maker Educator at Kid Museum, and let's get started. Depending on what sort of gear mechanism you want to make, you can use different materials. If you want a very simple gear mechanism, where rotation of each gear is in the same direction, then all you need are two circular shaped objects and a rubber band. But if you want to go for something a little bit more interesting, where your two gears actually interlock and spin in opposite directions, then you'll need a few more things. You'll need those circular objects again, but you'll also want to have a pencil, a ruler or some other straight edge, some scissors, some cardboard, and also some sort of glue. School glue, a glue stick. If you're in a rush, you can also use hot glue, but be sure to have an adult give you their permission before you use hot glue. And be sure that you're using a low temperature glue gun, one that's under 20 watts. Building a simple gear mechanism with two circular objects and a rubber band or other sort of flexible belt is really easy. All you have to do is take your two gears, place the rubber band around the two gears so that it connects them like a tread or a belt. Pull them apart a little bit so that the two wheels aren't touching each other. And now put your finger into the middle of one so that it can pivot around your finger, and then start to turn the other. You'll see that both gears start spinning, and in this setup, they spin in the same direction. One thing that you can try doing on your own is to put a little mark on each of your gears, and try and find out which one of the two gears spins more revolutions per second. Which gear spins more quickly. If we want to make the more interesting gear, though, we're going to need to use those other materials too. Most importantly, we need to give these circular shapes teeth so that they can actually interlock with each other and turn together without the help of a rubber band or other sort of belt. And one way we can give them teeth is by using the waves or corrugations inside of a cardboard. Almost every piece of cardboard has these, unless it's chipboard, which is cereal box material. So what we're going to do now is, using our straight edge, we're going to cut a long, thin band of cardboard off of our main body of cardboard. We want this long, thin band to have as many waves as possible. So we're going to be cutting in this direction, across many waves. Once we have a nice strip of cardboard, we need to remove the cardboard from one side so that we can get to the waves. It's more effective to peel up your cardboard this way. It's less effective to peel up your cardboard this way, because if you do it this way, you'll get little tufts of cardboard trapped in between the waves. You can use scissors to clean up any tufts of cardboard between your gears. A pencil can work really well as well. Alright, once you've got your nice clean teeth, it's time to attach them to our circles. So using your glue, whatever kind of glue it is, go ahead and attach your cardboard all the way around your circle, trimming off any extra. You're going to want to do that for both of your circles, by the way. And there's a gear! Make two of these and you can interlock them. Go for different sized gears, and you can see which one spins faster. Just like if you were using the two gears that were connected with rubber bands. Go ahead and make as many gears as you want. See what different ways you can interlock them. If you interlock a set of 3 gears all together, do those turn or do they lock up? You can explore with gears, seeing which ones turn faster, which ones turn more strongly, aka with more torque, and other things. Hope you had fun, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye!